Dental cleaning bad for your teeth. A lot of population of my patients ask me, oh, I don't do cleaning because I know that it's going to scratch my enamel. I don't do cleaning because it bleeds. I don't do cleaning because it creates gaps between my teeth. Let's go and see if it's bad for your teeth to get a dental scaling cleaned done or not. You need dental scaling and cleaning. Everyone almost gets those plaques and buildups and bacteria and germs and calculus behind the surfaces of their teeth. Usually they'll accumulate behind the lower front teeth and the side of upper teeth. Why is that? Because you have your salivary ducts there. Saliva comes out from a little duct right here and splashes behind the surfaces of your lower front teeth. Saliva has calcium, phosphorus, and a lot of minerals in it. All of these minerals, together with bacteria and the food you had, will create a soft layer on the surface of your teeth called plaque. Plaque is that layer that's on the surface of the tooth that consists of all of these things. You can disturb it easily by brushing your teeth and flossing. That's why we recommend floss every night and in the morning, and brush right after you floss. Why do I say first floss, then brush? Because when you floss, you will dislodge that plaque. You will remove that plaque. And then the toothpaste can go between your teeth and clean them. Every 12 hours, disturb that plaque. It's soft, you can get rid of it. If you don't do this, eventually that plaque becomes hardened and hardens. It becomes like that material you see at the bottom of your electric kettle, for example. It's calculus, it's hard, and it has to be removed by a machine that's ultrasonic. That's what we use to dental clean. The ultrasonic dental cleaning that the hygienists use or your dentist vibrates, using the ultrasound to vibrate and get rid of those plaque and germs and bacteria and calculus and tartar. So it cannot scratch the surface of your enamel. Do not worry, it's not a drill. It's not cutting your enamel. It's not going to cause any harm. Your dental professional knows what they're doing, and you do usually need these dental cleanings once every 6 months to once every year. I had dental cleaning done, and afterward I felt a lot of gaps. This is very common. I had a patient who cried in chair when I was much younger, telling me, you have removed a tooth because I feel so much gap. That gap should have been there, first of all. So basically, imagine your teeth are clean, and then plaque, bacteria, and calculus sits at the back of your teeth so much that it becomes so thick that your tongue gets used to it because it's deposited gradually. Once that's removed, suddenly your tongue will feel that gap, that space that has been created after the cleaning. Do you want all of that germs back? Do you want the calculus or the bacteria back? No. No harm has been done except the fact that you have had this cleaning done so late that your tongue is used to that amount of germs. Imagine what you're feeling has been removed from the back of your teeth. That thickness was all bad stuff, so it's good that it's removed. But while it's there, it is causing gum recession. All of that bacteria, all of that calculus is stuck to the root surfaces of your teeth like barnacles on a boat, and it's literally eating through your gums, causing the gums and the bone to shrink around your teeth. What does that mean? Your tooth is probably healthy, but what is hugging your tooth around, what is supporting your tooth, is gone. That means that the tooth becomes loose and you have to pull it out. The next reason is I don't get it cleaned done because it hurts or it causes bleeding. Listen, if you have a good oral hygiene, you still need a dental cleaning once in a while, and your dentist will tell you how often you need it. Let's imagine that I need a clean once every 6 months, and I do floss and brush my teeth, and I go for my cleaning every 6 months. I do not feel pain or much discomfort. Yes, it's not fun. It's not like you're getting a massage, but also on the other hand, it is necessary and it's not painful, and I have no bleeding. Why is that? First of all, my dental professional knows what she's doing. Second of all, because I do it regularly, the plaque on the surface of my teeth is soft, it's removed very easily, and there is no pressure, no bleeding, no pain. If you haven't been to the dentist for a very long time, those plaques have turned into hard calculus. To remove them, yes, we do need more force and more time, and there will be suddenly removed, so cold water will touch your teeth and you will feel the discomfort. Afterward, if you keep coming back on time and getting your dental cleaned done, you're gonna feel fine. You have to also remember that if there is any bleeding on your gums when you floss or when you go to the dentist, it's not the flosser's fault and it's not the dentist's fault. It's because your gums are so inflamed that anything touching them will make them bleed. Once we clean them and once you floss, it'll start healing, which means you're gonna have no bleeding hopefully in the future. If you want to see more videos on dental cleaning, I'm gonna tag the playlist above. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll see you at my next video.